Hello everyone, I'm recording this video because I've been having these issues like this network cable. So the connector is perfect. There's no issues there, right? But when you actually connect it to your laptop, right? So it just locks in, and that's a good thing. It should lock in, right? But when you try to remove it, right? When you try to remove it, it just doesn't really come out. You keep holding it from the bottom and you keep pulling out, it doesn't really work. So the trick is, I'll show you what is the trick behind. There's a technique. So here we go. This time it came out, right? So what I did, so when you connect it, right? I'll show you. You press this part. I'll show you which part. This part, right? Real hard. Okay. So when you press it hard, you need to. So you press it hard, right? And then you push it toward the laptop. Okay, or towards the connector. It will come out. I'll show you again. I'm pressing the bottom one, right? Bottom, and it's not coming out. But if you press the bottom, right, and then you push it towards the laptop or the connector, then you pull it out, it just comes out. Just want to show you. I've been struggling with this thing, and I'm pretty sure other people are also struggling with it. So just wanted to share with you guys. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.